Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. In this week's episode, we're going to teach a rather simple and easy dish to make called the Gourmet Spanish-style milkfish. If you're interested in learning this recipe, then keep on watching. First, make sure to cut the fish and wash it. And then we're going to create a brine, so add enough water to fully submerge the fish. Then mix in half a cup of salt. And then just place the fish in the brine. This helps season the flesh and make it tender. Cover it and leave it for about 1 hour. Now let us prepare our other ingredients. So first, get 2 carrots and peel them. And then, if desired, use a zig-zag knife to cut them for added design. Next, crush the cloves from 2 bulbs of garlic. You can also add red chili to taste. And then chop 3 pieces of pickled cucumber. So we are using the NutriCook Smart Pot with the pressure cook option. So start by layering the vegetables at the bottom. And then add the fish. For the next layer, add more vegetables and also include bay leaves. Season with cracked black pepper, any dried herbs, and fish sauce. Repeat the process until all your ingredients are added. For the final touches, add some oyster sauce, 1 cup of water, and drizzle with Pomace Olive Oil until everything is coated. For extra seasoning, add Ginisa mix. Now we can finally cook it. Seal the Smart Pot to keep the pressure in and set the timer for 1 hour. After an hour, release the pressure. Once it stops, you can open the pot and enjoy your meal. And this concludes our 23rd episode. I hope you enjoyed our simple recipe for today, and please do give it a try. Please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing down below. We will post more fun videos about our family, lifestyle, food, and travel. See you on the next episode. Bye!